Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I achieved this hairstyle using one pack of expression braiding hair. So firstly, this is the attachment that I'm going to use. I'm going to use color 39 and I'm going to cut it into four sections. Then I'm going to pull the edges so that it can be long, and I am going to get rid of that blunt cut. So when you're pulling, you have to make sure that it is long so that your length will increase, and brush it through to detangle it. The straws that I'm using are not strong, so I'm going to put a chopstick inside. I sharpened this so that it could fit inside the straw, and I'm going to take the braiding here and start twisting and turning on the straw. You can twist, then turn it and start twisting going the other way. Twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn until you reach the ends. And make sure it's tight. Don't twist it loosely. Make sure it's tight so that when you put it in water you have a really good curl. So after twisting to the ends, I'm going to take a bobby pin and pin at the top right there so that it won't unravel. And after doing that, I'm going to hold the bobby pin and pull out the chopstick. So I'm going to show you another way which you can pin with your bobby pin. Take your braiding here, twist it, then turn and start twisting going the other way, only an inch or two. Then take your bobby pin and pin at the beginning of your braiding here to secure it. Then after that you can continue twisting and turning until you reach the end of your straw, until your braid is finished like that, and make sure it's tight. So when you are removing the straw, you can just hold the bobby pin and pull the straw up while you are pulling the chopstick downwards to remove it from inside the straw. Like that, hold it like that, then pull it up while pulling the chopstick downwards to remove it, and there you have it. Make sure you secure the bobby pin like that. So here I'm going to put it inside hot water. I'm going to pour hot water on top of it. Then I'm going to leave it in there for about a minute or two, and after that I'm going to remove all the water and let it dry overnight. This is how my crochet hair is looking. This is how it's looking, and this is how I removed it from the straws. You can just pull it down like that, and this is how I separated it. I separated like 6 times, but if you want yours to be more curly, you can separate 3 times. But I wanted mine to be like curly, natural, like, so I separated 6 times. But if you want it to be more curly, you can separate 3 or 2 times depending on how curly you want it to be. So I'm just removing this African thread because I wanted my hair to be straight. I washed it and I wanted it to be straight. And I'm just going to do cornrows, pushback cornrows, nothing special, just like that. And your cornrows don't have to be that tight because you want to pass your crochet through the hair smoothly. You don't want to cause any tension to your hair. So as you can see, I'm going to have a side parting and I join the line, and I'm also going to have a middle parting and I join the line. Guys, this is how I'm crocheting my hair. I'm just going to pass my crochet under the cornrows, then put the crocheting here on the hook, then close it, then pull it out of the cornrows, then open a loop, that loop, open it, pass the hair through and pass it again, twist, pass it again, then pull it. That's going to tie it like that. So let me show you again. Take your crochet, pass it under your cornrows like that. Make sure your hook is open, then take your crochet hair, put it on the hook, close it, pass it down the cornrows, open the loop, take your hair, pass it through, twist, turn, pass it through and tie like that. As simple as that. So you can space it out depending on how full you want it to be. If you want it to be more fuller, you can add more hair, obviously. If you don't want it to be more fuller, you can just add little hair. As you can see right here on the side part, pass your crochet under the cornrows, then put your hair on the loop, close it, then open a loop and pull only one side of your crochet here, tie it, then the other one that you didn't pass through your crochet is going to close that and it won't show. So take your hair, pass it under your cornrows like that and open your loop, take only one side of your crochet here, then tie it and close like that. It won't show the knot, it will be invisible. So do it again. Take your crochet here, put it, close the hook, pass it under the crochet, take only one side and pass it through the loop, then tie and close like that. I'm just going to repeat the same process on the other side. I'm just pulling one side, then tie, pass your crochet through the cornrows, pull it out, take one side, tie, then close like that. So right here I'm just going to do my edges. I don't cornrow my edges. I need to protect my edges, sis. I need to protect them. So right here I'm applying mousse to activate some of the curls, but I'm not going to put more. If you want your curls to be more curly, you can add more mousse. So just apply your mousse through your crochet here like that, and I'm feeling this style. I really love it. It's easy to do and it's affordable, and I'm just going to cut off the ends like that. I'm going to trim it. You can just do it at home on your own, and I'm feeling myself. I really love this style. It's cheap, really easy to do. You can just do it at home and go out and enjoy like that. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.